The US dollar hovers near multi-month lows despite its historic global safe haven role. This unusual dollar weakness intensifies uncertainty around the Bitcoin-dollar relationship and crypto market reactions. The dollar's safe haven status faces tests amid mounting US debt and rising inflation pressures. Yet, its immense liquidity and dominance anchor it as the ultimate refuge during financial turmoil. But how will upcoming US housing data influence this fragile balance? Housing data is crucial for assessing economic health and guiding Federal Reserve rate decisions. Strong housing starts and permits could pressure the Fed to maintain or hike rates, bolstering the dollar and shifting Bitcoin price dynamics by reducing appetite for risk assets like Bitcoin. Conversely, weaker housing figures might prompt softer monetary policy, likely weakening the dollar and igniting a Bitcoin rally. This delicate interplay means BTC traders need to watch these indicators closely for timely BTC trading and Bitcoin forecast insights. In the Bitcoin dollar crisis of 2024, forex markets reflect a tug-of-war between risk-off and risk-on sentiments. When the dollar strengthens, investors retreat to safer traditional assets, causing Bitcoin value and altcoins to falter. However, during dollar weakness, digital assets often outperform as capital seeks higher returns in risky crypto investments. Traders should watch Fed rate signals, global economic recovery data, and geopolitical tensions as key drivers of this tug-of-war affecting Bitcoin dollar and crypto dollar volatility. Moreover, the dollar's multifaceted role extends beyond forex markets, impacting Bitcoin dollar value through broader macroeconomic channels. A stronger dollar normally compresses Bitcoin price due to reduced international purchasing power. On the other hand, a weaker dollar fuels capital inflows into crypto, especially from global investors pursuing decentralized assets as inflation hedges. This dynamic has intensified with institutional investors treating Bitcoin as digital gold, hedging against fiat depreciation, making the Bitcoin dollar trajectory critical for Bitcoin investment portfolios. Now, the rising narrative positions Bitcoin as an alternative safe haven in 2024. Increasing inflation and debt worries prompt some investors to diversify beyond traditional assets. I personally trade on a rock-solid crypto exchange boasting consistently ultra-low fees. Its deep liquidity ensures instant order fills. Plus, lightning-fast withdrawals keep funds flexible. Tap the special link in the description below today and unlock exclusive sign-up rewards. Despite notorious volatility, Bitcoin's capped supply and decentralized nature enhance its appeal as an inflation hedge. However, this status still competes with the dollar's unmatched market depth and liquidity as a safe harbor during crises, shaping Bitcoin trends and the Bitcoin dollar forecast in coming months. Let's pivot to how global central bank policies interact with this scenario. The Federal Reserve's potential rate cuts contrast with other central banks' varied stances, influencing forex and crypto markets differently. For example, if the European Central Bank maintains higher rates longer, the euro could strengthen against the digital dollar, possibly lowering USD-based Bitcoin exchange inflows temporarily. Similarly, the Bank of Japan's policies will affect USD-JPY pairs, indirectly impacting risk sentiment and Bitcoin wallet liquidity. Staying updated on these narratives is crucial for strategic BTC analysis and BTC USD trading. Active crypto investors should diversify and hedge carefully amid dollar uncertainty. Spreading allocations among stablecoins, DeFi protocols, and select altcoins can mitigate risks tied to dollar cryptocurrency fluctuations. Monitoring inflation data, employment reports, GDP growth, and housing data provides a nuanced view of macro trends shaping Bitcoin dollar price moves. Remaining agile is essential as monetary policies worldwide evolve unpredictably, influencing global capital flows beyond crypto ecosystems. Engaging with reliable Bitcoin news and sharing insights within the crypto community strengthens your strategic outlook. Hit like if you find this Bitcoin dollar safe haven analysis valuable, and subscribe for cutting-edge updates influencing your digital asset trades. Comment below your thoughts. Do you believe Bitcoin will outperform the dollar as 2024 progresses? Your perspective matters in this fast-changing environment. In conclusion, the Bitcoin dollar crisis of 2024 hinges on the evolving safe haven battle influenced by fresh U.S. housing data and shifting Fed policies. The dollar's near-low levels signal uncertainty, yet its foundational strength remains resilient. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's narrative as a digital hedge gains traction, but faces critical tests amid changing macro conditions. I personally trade on a rock-solid crypto exchange, boasting consistently ultra-low fees. Its deep liquidity ensures instant order fills, plus lightning-fast withdrawals keep funds flexible. Tap the special link in the description below today and unlock exclusive sign-up rewards. Staying informed of key economic indicators, central bank signals, and global risk sentiment will be decisive for crypto investors aiming to navigate this volatile landscape successfully.